Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our today's video topic, we're gonna see Samsung Galaxy A15 and A15 FRP lock. We're gonna bypass without any server or any fee. Okay, so as you can see, this method is supported now on unlock tools. We're gonna use unlock tools today. At first, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the comment section below regarding this video or if you have any question. So I'm gonna answer or reply for you. This video meant for educational purpose only. Okay, after that, go on search section, then search your phone model. After that, as you can see, the broom and EDL option, then click on the FRP. If this step is support, it will bypass the FRP lock for you, but if not, it say the chip is not supported, or we're gonna try other step. As you can see, it say chip is not supported. So we're gonna use on the preloader option within the DA file. So click on the top, as you can see, then select your phone, if it is M15 or A15, click on it. Then after that, click on bypass the FRP lock again, then short those two pins that I show you on the beginning of this video. It is just one click. After that, boom, you bypass like this. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. You don't need to pay for, or you don't need any credit to bypass this smartphone if you have unlock tools. Okay, now it have been supported. Thank you for this function for unlock team. So this is how easy it is to bypass. If you have any question, or if you wanna bypass remotely, I can solve for you. Okay, so this is all about our today's video topic. If you are new to this channel, also don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the comment section below if you have any question also. Okay, so I'll see you on my next video. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much.